Hello, I am Cheng from University at Taipei, Taiwan. And today I'm talking about Snap IonicVue, which is the cloud-based IDE for developing mobile app and web. And we look into the industry pain points. Most of them need, have iOS application, also Android app and website too. So they need they need to multiple teams, and they need to know multiple platforms as well. So it's cost them extremely high development costs in the beginning. And because you need to write different kinds of platform, so it takes a longer time to market and very difficult to cultivate talents, because I guess our brand is limited. We are not able to know Swift and Kotlin, Java at the same times. Okay, and for those apps, it's not constant. You need to update them, maybe per month or maybe per seasons. So it's also a high cost and long time for the upgrades. So we design the Snap IonicVue, and which is like I say, cloud-based cross-platform IDE tool with the no code, because we use Snap. And also what you see, what you get is what you get GUI editor. So to make the design flow as smooth as possible. And actually, they use two very useful framework. One is called Vue framework. The other is Ionic. And these two can save 90% of your development time and cost, and 80% maintenance costs and times, and enable fast time to markets for corporations. The design flow is very simple. First is go to Snap and create a projects. Then there are two things you can do. One is add your UI component or modules, and then you can write your reactive variable or reactive functions. And then finally, you combine these tools, UI with your data, and then you complete your app. So this is a very short demo. So just go to the Snap and create an app. And here is the design area. You just drag and drop the GUI editor, and this is the place you can see the result. So as I mentioned, you just drag and drop your UI and bind the data, or so-called a reactive variable. So this is some variable and binding the data field in database. And this is a banner, and then binding the image. And this is the contents, and binding the data with all the fields with the database. And when you scan the QR code, you can preview your app. So after that, we have two ways. One is to build your app. You can have Android app and iOS app, and you can upload to the Google Play or App Store. And the code, actually, we host it as a website. But if you want to make your own platform, on your own domain name, you just upload them to your backend server. Then everything should be done. And we also have no-code Snap solution for AI, and and Snap solution for Internet of Things. So you can integrate them with your smartphone to maybe shoot a photo, and then go through the Snap AI for analyze what it is, or give you some information back. or you can control your IoT end devices. And this is the whole total solution. We integrate mobile phone and Internet of Things and deep learning as well. And we also have a Snap for Python, building edge computing gateway. So the feature of this tool is cloud-based. So there's no need to install anything at all. You can develop your app or web anytime, anywhere, and it is single code base. One single code, you can design your Android, iOS, and web at the same times. And it's use Snap and our GUI editor, so there's no syntax error. And we have what you see, what you get GUI editor, which is much easier for you to design app and web. And you can preview your design by just scanning a QR code. And then you can pack them, because packing is kind of tedious work. And we just make it easy. If you don't have any Apple Macintosh or a MacBook, you just use our Mac server, and then you can build your app by including iPhone, and you can build your own block and for reuse. And we also have our library, for example, membership and some database and payment library. So you don't need to write it by your own. You just drag and drop, and the library is ready for you. And it also support multiple languages. So this is the first Vue and Ionic framework. Use Snap to design app and web at the same time with a single code. So in Taiwan, Snap has been used in different college courses, especially the Snap IonicVue. We use for database system design, internet programming, and handheld device system design. And for the AI, we teach Python and edge computing and machine or deep learning. And for Snap IoT, we use in the embedded system design course, as well as the IoT technology. And these are the university which use our tool in Taiwan. So thank you very much. That's all my talk. Thank you.